China has taken absolute leadership in the global military revolution, and its new developments are causing a real shock in the United States. The Asian giant now presents itself as the creator of the most advanced defense technologies on the planet. From jets that defy the laws of physics to space weapons that can paralyze entire countries, China has been secretly developing a technological arsenal that is leaving military experts around the world speechless. Get ready to discover the 8 most impressive and revolutionary defense technologies that China is currently deploying. Stay until the end, because what you'll see at number 1 will leave you speechless. Number 8. The Phantom Shuttle. A space shuttle that can operate for 2 years without anyone knowing what it's doing? The Shenlong is probably the most mysterious craft in Earth's orbit, and for good reason. This Chinese robotic space shuttle can remain in space for extremely long periods, carrying out secret missions. Its ability to change orbit unpredictably makes it the most enigmatic space vehicle on the planet. But what exactly is its function? Experts speculate that it can deploy spy satellites, intercept enemy communications, or even repair its own satellites in orbit. Its versatility is so broad that it can function as a space laboratory, surveillance platform, or orbital operations base. With dimensions similar to the American X-37B, but with apparently superior capabilities, the Shenlong can land like a conventional airplane after completing missions that last hundreds of days. Its propulsion system allows it to perform orbital maneuvers that defy tracking by Western space agencies. The few available videos show landings so precise they seem to be performed by an expert pilot, but this shuttle operates completely unmanned. It's literally a space ghost controlled by artificial intelligence. Number 7. The Autonomous Supersonic Drone. Imagine a fighter jet without a pilot that can fly at supersonic speeds and make combat decisions on its own. The Dark Sword isn't just a concept, it's the reality of autonomous aerial combat. This combat drone can reach speeds above Mach 2 while executing maneuvers that would be lethal for any human pilot. Its angular, futuristic design isn't just aesthetic. Every line is calculated to minimize its radar signature. It can process combat information and execute attacks in milliseconds, a reaction speed impossible for human brains. Its artificial intelligence can analyze multiple threats simultaneously and prioritize targets with lethal precision. Classified tests have shown combat capabilities that have forced other superpowers to accelerate their own autonomous combat programs. It's literally the hunter of the future, where the thinking speed of a machine determines who lives and who dies. Number 6. The Orbital Bomber. What if a missile could circle the entire planet before hitting its target? The Chinese FOBS system has turned this seemingly impossible idea into a reality that has changed the rules of the nuclear game. This system allows the launch of nuclear warheads that partially orbit Earth before descending toward their targets. The unpredictable trajectory makes it practically impossible to determine the final target until the last minutes of flight. But why is it so revolutionary? You see, current anti-missile systems are designed to intercept projectiles that follow predictable ballistic trajectories. FOBS can attack from any direction, even from the South Pole, where there is no radar coverage. With hypersonic speeds exceeding Mach 20 during the re-entry phase, these weapons can reach any point on the planet in less than 100 minutes. Their ability to change course during flight makes them impossible targets to intercept. Western experts have admitted that this system represents a quantum leap in nuclear offensive capability. It's like having the ability to attack from outer space with surgical precision and almost zero warning time. Number 5. Futuristic Aircraft Carrier Fujian. For decades, the USS Gerald R. Ford has been considered the most lethal aircraft carrier in history. However, China has just launched something that could dethrone the American giant, the Fujian Type 003. This 85,000-ton naval beast doesn't just match the Gerald R. Ford. In some aspects, it surpasses it. While the Ford uses 4 EMALS electromagnetic catapults in traditional configuration, the Fujian incorporates a revolutionary design with angled runways that converge at a central point. But what does this mean in real terms? The Fujian can launch fighters from 4 different positions simultaneously, dramatically increasing its operational capacity. Its 160 daily launches significantly exceed the capabilities of conventional aircraft carriers. Additionally, it carries J-35 stealth fighters that directly rival the Ford's F-35s, along with KJ-600 radar aircraft that extend detection range up to 150 kilometers. Each launch consumes energy equivalent to a small city, but enables operations that completely redefine modern naval warfare. Number 4. Invisible fighter with artificial intelligence. The J-20 isn't just another stealth fighter, it's a combat platform that integrates artificial intelligence in ways that are redefining modern aerial combat. With stealth capabilities that rival the American F-22, the J-20 incorporates AI systems that can analyze threats, optimize flight routes, and coordinate attacks with other fighters without human intervention. Its pilot acts more as a supervisor than an operator. What makes it a revolutionary weapon is its ability to process data from multiple sensors and make tactical decisions in real time. It can identify, prioritize, and attack multiple targets while maintaining silent communication with its squadron. Equipped with long-range missiles and advanced electronic warfare systems, the J-20 can attack targets beyond visual range while remaining completely invisible to enemy radars. Number 3. Quantum Anti-Stealth Radar. A radar that can detect invisible aircraft using quantum mechanics? China has developed technology that could make all the world's stealth aircraft obsolete. Quantum radar uses quantum-entangled photons to detect objects that conventional radars cannot see. When photons interact with a target, their quantum state changes in ways that cannot be fooled by traditional stealth technology. Why is it so revolutionary? Stealth aircraft work by absorbing or deflecting conventional radar waves, but the quantum properties of entangled photons make it impossible to use these camouflage techniques. With detection ranges exceeding 100 kilometers, this system can identify stealth aircraft with the same clarity as conventional planes. Its accuracy is so high that it can determine not only location, but also speed, altitude, and even the specific type of aircraft. Prototypes have shown the ability to track multiple stealth targets simultaneously, making radar invisibility an obsolete advantage. It's literally the end of the invisible aircraft era. Number 2. Space Microwave Superweapon. China has developed directed energy systems that can disable critical infrastructure without causing human casualties. These satellite systems can generate microwave pulses powerful enough to overload electronic circuits on the ground. They can disable power grids, communication systems, or even military vehicles from orbits hundreds of kilometers away. Thanks to this technology, they can completely paralyze enemy infrastructure without physically destroying anything. It's like a selective electromagnetic blackout that can last from minutes to weeks depending on the damage caused. With the ability to focus microwave beams on specific areas, they can attack from a single military installation to entire cities. Their precision allows surgical operations that leave physical infrastructure intact but render all electronics useless. Simulations have shown that these systems could disable the electrical grid of entire countries in a matter of minutes. It's the perfect war, devastating but without visible physical destruction. Number 1. Spacecraft of the Future. And we reach number 1, the technology that truly defies the laws of physics, the Tengyun. This spacecraft completely revolutionizes aerospace propulsion as we know it. The Tengyun takes off like a normal airplane but can ascend directly into space using hypersonic scramjet technology. Its maximum speed exceeds Mach 25, making any point on the planet a reachable target in less than 30 minutes. But what makes it defy physics? Its engine can accelerate up to 30 times the speed of sound, while maintaining stable combustion throughout the entire process. This should be impossible because conventional engines are destroyed by extreme heat at those speeds, but the Tengyun functions perfectly when any other technology would completely disintegrate. This machine can even transport military or civilian cargo, deploy satellites, conduct global reconnaissance, or function as a hypersonic bomber. It's literally 3 vehicles in one: airplane, rocket, and spacecraft. Leaked videos show horizontal takeoffs that accelerate to space velocities without the need for vertical rockets. Seeing this in action has left NASA and ESA engineers perplexed. The Tengyun isn't just advanced technology, it's proof that China is building capabilities that can change the global balance forever. These technologies aren't just military advances, they're the demonstration that we're entering a new era where traditional rules of conflict no longer apply. While the world debates ethical regulations on artificial intelligence, China is silently redefining what technological superiority means. Now tell me, which of these technologies has impressed you the most? Do you think we're witnessing the birth of a new era in modern warfare? Leave it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more content about the future of technology. See you in the next one.